today I'm gonna make this Japanese candy. It's called food making that I always call. And I usually make this one since when I was 3 and 2 years old. They were my most favorite food, so let's get unboxing. So first we're going to unwrap this area because whenever you see this arrow, you need to open it. So let's open this area. Whoa! Don't break it, guys. And here there will be a plastic bag that I'll ask my dad for help. So my dad already cut this. It's where you put the water here and put it in the powder. And my dad also cut these thingies that we will use later. And I also placed a plate just in case. So this one is the strawberry icing. This one, see? That's why it has pink. And here is the vanilla icing that is colored blue powder, but it's white powder inside it. The packet is just blue. And some little sprinkles that we're gonna add in our ice cream. And this one, pastry bags. See? This is where we're gonna put the icing in it and squeeze it out. Some ice cream cones, cute little mini ice cream cones. And here are some spoons so we can mix it, and some biscuits, and some 2 bars that are color white. So these are the things. Here's the vanilla powder that we're going to put in this area because this is the strawberry area. I'll give it a sniff first. It smells really good, so let's put all the powder in. Just be really careful, guys. So my dad already cut this out, so it's okay. Put all the powders in. Whoa. Let's put the plastic somewhere here or there. Yeah. So now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of water. So is it? Just be really careful, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful, and we will pour it here. So there's no more water because we poured all the water in the powder. Now let's mix it. Just be really careful. Wow. Until it became creamy, that's the time we'll put it in the plastic bag. Whoa, look at all the chunks. Ah! Make sure all the powders are gone so it's okay to eat and it will taste yummy. So this is my dessert. Mix the vanilla and then all done. So I'm gonna pour this. But wait first guys, wait lang. First, wait lang. We need to follow the instructions. Oh, it's upside down. Follow the instructions so you will know how to make it. Now, let's pour the strawberry powder here. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna pour it all of it. Careful. Just be careful, guys. Mamaya it will go to the vanilla powder. So that's why. Oh, there. So since these are all done, time to put the water in. Careful, guys, it might spill. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah. Oh, it's so pink. See? Look, it's so pinkish. It smells good. And let's mix it. Oh, look at the pink, guys. Like I'm making my pet's food. But I'm not. I'm making my candy. My Japanese candy. Whoa. I wish I should lick all these chunks. So since I'm done mixing the vanilla and strawberry, of course, we're going to put it here. But first, if you're having a bit more time putting this all by yourself, you can ask your mom or dad to help. So my dad is gonna do it. Here, Papa. He's gonna do it all by his own. Papa, are you done? Oh, thanks. So here's it, guys. My dad is already done. We put the white here and the pink here. Now let's start squeezing. So you need to hold here and squeeze here, but not like this, or else it will all go up. So let's start. Well, here it comes, guys. It's a bit hard though. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, guys, it's almost coming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, it's so oozy, guys. So my dad helped me with the ice cream, this boat thingy that I don't know. So I'm just gonna do the wafer thingy. Oops. There, dot. There. Just wait lang, guys. Dot. There. Dot. There. Dot. Whoa. Dot. Not even gonna dot. There it goes. Let's put the other layer on top. Squeeze. Put dot. Not too much, guys. Not a bit too big. Just a bit dot. Not even dotting. Dot. 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 And dot. Look, guys. It's almost done. Put the other layer on top. And put the other layer on top. In the last layer, I'm going to just put all of them. After that, I'm going to put sprinkles on top. That would be great, right, guys? Dot. Oh no, not too much. Dot. Dot. I just need to fix that thing. There, dot. Dot. And dot. Okay, almost done. Putting the last layer on top. Ooh. Dot. Then guys, dot. 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 And dot. My layering doesn't look really good because I'm a kid, right? And put the last layer, and I'm gonna put a lamp on top. Squeezing in. Wow. You can do this if you want. You can do it any way you want. Wait lang, guys, I really love to lick these icing. If you like to do it, it's okay. So now we're going to start with the sprinkle. Start with the cone. Can put some little heart. Look, guys, it's so cute. So this one is all done. Let's do it the other one. Put the little thingy on top. Sprinkle it. A bit more. It's okay, guys. Let's place the other one here. Well, let's place a bit here. Looks cute, guys. Whoa. You can put as much sprinkles as you want, but if you don't want that much, it's okay. Just move this tower a bit, okay, guys? You won't knock it off. So since it's done, I'm gonna eat it. Start with the cone. Cheers! It's good. So since there's quarantine, you can just make your own ice cream here at home. So my dad is just gonna video me eating this. Mix them, guys. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna enjoy this one. See you guys in my next